In April 2023, Maui, one of the Hawaiian islands, is likely to offer its visitors stunning natural beauty, diverse outdoor activities, and a rich cultural experience. Here's a description of what you might expect. Beautiful weather. April in Maui typically offers warm and pleasant weather, with temperatures ranging from the mid-70s to low 80s Fahrenheit around 24–28 degrees Celsius. This makes it an ideal time for outdoor activities such as hiking, swimming, and snorkeling. Flourishing nature. Springtime in Maui brings lush greenery, blooming flowers, and vibrant landscapes. You can explore Maui's diverse ecosystems, including lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and golden beaches. Popular natural attractions to visit include Haleakop National Park, the Road to Hana, and Molokini Creek. Cultural events. Maui hosts various cultural events and festivals throughout the year, offering visitors a chance to experience Hawaiian traditions, music, and cuisine. Look out for events such as the Maui Classical Music Festival, Maui Onion Festival, and Maui County Agricultural Festival. April is a fantastic time to visit Maui, offering a perfect blend of favorable weather, natural beauty, outdoor adventures, and cultural experiences. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or cultural immersion, Maui has something to offer every traveler. or independently. Passengers arriving in Maui will find a variety of shops, restaurants, and bars near the ports, offering plenty of opportunities to explore and enjoy the local culture and cuisine. Whether you're looking for souvenirs, a delicious meal, or a refreshing drink, Maui's port areas have something for everyone to enjoy. Local shops. There are often souvenir shops and boutiques near the ports, offering a range of items such as Hawaiian clothing, jewelry, artwork, and crafts. Visitors can browse for gifts and mementos to bring back home. Bars and cafes. For those looking to relax and enjoy a drink, there are bars, cafes, and lounges where visitors can sample tropical cocktails, local beers, and other beverages. Some establishments may feature live music or entertainment, providing a lively atmosphere for visitors to unwind. Local attractions. Depending on the port of arrival, passengers may have access to nearby attractions and landmarks. For example, Lahaina Harbor is located in the historic town of Lahaina, known for its charming streets, historic sites, and art galleries. Kahului Harbor is closer to attractions such as the Maui Ocean Center, a popular aquarium showcasing marine life native to Hawaii. Walking around Maui offers a unique and immersive way to experience the island's beauty, culture, and charm. So lace up your walking shoes, hit the trails, and get ready to explore all that Maui has to offer on foot. Scenic beauty. Maui is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, from lush rainforests and cascading waterfalls to pristine beaches and dramatic coastlines. Walking allows you to fully immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes and take in the sights, sounds, and scents of the island. Explore at your own pace. Walking gives you the freedom to explore Maui at your own pace. Whether you're strolling through charming streets like Lahaina or Pani, wandering along coastal paths, or hiking through scenic trails, you can take your time to soak in the ambience and discover hidden gems along the way. Stay active and healthy. Walking is a great way to stay active and healthy while on vacation. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll or embarking on a challenging hike, walking allows you to get some exercise while enjoying the beauty of Maui's natural surroundings. guardian of the sea began, spreading joy and wonder throughout the island. Coconut go to Maui? Because it wanted to take a tropical vacation and get a little coconut. Why did the pineapple go to Maui? Because it heard the waves were pine-tastic. Maui's natural beauty is truly unparalleled. As the final rays of sunlight disappear below the horizon, the sky erupts into a final burst of color.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and like.